So I gave up on YouTube, went to TikTok. TikTok has shown me Pepe. Now I'm back for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen. If this is your first time here, so if you want to see how I created this beautiful look, then keep on watching. If you see me looking down, you're looking at my mirror. Ooh, dripping. So it's been a very long while. You guys haven't seen me in a minute, and I'm sorry about that. I've been having a lot going on, and I ran away to TikTok, yeah, for a while, but I'm back now. I've just been posting random videos on YouTube recently. If you notice, if you're new here, you're most welcome back to my channel. You're most welcome to my channel. And if you're an old viewer and subscriber, thank you so much. So I got embarrassed. That was one of the reasons you guys haven't seen me. Like, can you imagine I posted something about a giveaway and then nobody participated in that giveaway, and then I method I was collaborating with, the people I was collaborating with at that time, which was I method, basically they're like the only people I've been doing collabs with. They've given me the opportunity to do that. You know, they asked me to like send the addresses of the winners so they could send the product to them, and lo and behold, nobody participated in that giveaway. I was so embarrassed, but you know what, life goes on, my brothers and sisters in Christ. Yes, you people cannot embarrass me and throw me out of YouTube. I refuse to go. When you come to collect your people, remember me, oh Lord, remember. So you people think that you can embarrass me and throw me out of YouTube because of shame and disgrace, but I say no. My brothers and sisters, I say what? No. I am waxing back stronger, or however they speak the English. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer I'm using. Oh, here's my concealer brush. That's small. I'm still going to use this one I use for my foundation. I want to really be fast. I'm going to be creating a very simple eyeshadow look today for the summer. I'll let that sit in for a while before I blend. I'm going to be creating a very simple eyeshadow look for the summer today. Just basically one of the trendy looks. Cutting my rhinestones. I wanted to get that yesterday, but a lot happened, and I would have loved to use that for you guys to see today, but unfortunately or fortunately, I don't have it here. So we'll just have to make do with what I have. I got a new face paint palette from Ukambi or Ukambi. I don't know what it's called exactly, but let me show you. Ta-da! I already opened it. It was too hard, so I kind of tore it out. Difficult. I will just tear this thing away and we'll all have peace. Peace! These things that say they don't want peace is problems that they want. I want peace in my life. So it looks like this. I'm sure you must have seen a lot of people use this online. And we're going to be doing something with these today. Let's see what it is. I haven't used it before. I haven't tried it. I don't know if it will work well with my skin. I do not know, but we will all judge that together. So we're going to browse now. That's it, but to wait down. And the brow gel is from iMethod. You can get them on Amazon. I'm going to link in the description down below. For you can get it on Amazon. It's very good. I have applied my base, which I use this concealer right here. It's from NYX Cosmetics. It's actually a color corrector, and then I'll be going in with this shade to set my eyes right here. So I'll do the same for this other eye. I'll go in with this darker brown to further. This my stool keeps making noise. Don't know what it wants me to do, but do you see that? I'll do the same for here. Into the crease just a little bit more. I don't plan on doing anything crazy with my eyes, but I'm thinking again, because this is beginning to look flushing and slushy and cut my crease again. Yeah. So after doing that, to take out the harsh lines, I'm just going to blend this back in. Using the shade, I'll be using this very light pink shade here. I presume that is baby pink. So I'm just going to set that. It's giving the slushy worship. Don't know what I just said, but I just said it. Now to the main event of the day. Whoosha! We're going to be trying this quiz palette. So I'm going to try something using this gold. Is that like, it's more like gold, yellow gold? I don't know. Yeah, but it has some little bit of shimmer in it. So I'm going to look for my tiny brush. I found it. I'm going to be using this brush right here to just do that. So it kind of helps brings the bristles of the brush together, number one. And then secondly, okay, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. So I'm going to carefully do this. I'm not doing it all the way in, like inwards, just oh my god, I messed it up. Yeah. But you could still do like another style. Do we like that? Do you love that? Come on, join me, sing hallelujah. Get. Jehovah Jireh has on me way. Come on, join me, sing hallelujah. Hallelujah. Do you see that? Do you see how snatched that looks? Huh? So I just thought to do something like something in front here. I don't know what that is, but maybe let me do the second eye first, then we'll see how it comes out. So I have done that on the second eye, and to do something in front, maybe we should just do like this. Right there. And same for here. That looks gorgeous, gorgeous. I think I should, for some more dramatic look, or for a more dramatic look, I'm going to extend it out this way. Anything for the drama loves. This is giving exactly what I wanted to give. You understand what I'm saying? It's bronzing time. So guys, this is the finished look, and yeah, I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye.